Roasted cauliflower, healthy and delicious. A great dish to complement any meal. So come with me and I'll show you step by step on how to make roasted cauliflower at home. It's an easy dish. We got a cauliflower head and we're going to pull it apart like this. It all depends on how many you're serving, how big of a cauliflower you want. Since it's just two of us, I'm just gonna do a small one. You're gonna set your oven to 425. I've got my cauliflower separated. I've got it washed and drained. I've got my cookie sheet. I've got my 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil melted that we're going to put on here. And I've got my seasonings in the little thing there. And you can make it just as however big you want it. I just put it on bite size. And all this is coated, and we're going to roast it between 15 and 20 minutes until desired tender. And we just brought the cauliflower out of the oven. It was in there for 20 minutes, and doesn't it look great? We're going to get it and put it on this plate. Oh, it smells so good. You're going to have to try this. It's just so easy. I know you'll like it. And as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.